Outer corners on windowsills, chimneys, columns, for example, should also be pre-treated with a dispersion adhesive to ensure an optimum fit of the paper. Cut off overlaps at window frames and window sills. Do not paper behind radiators. The wallpaper is simply pasted cleanly to fit. Cut the paper cleanly and straight with a special cutter at connections to windows, windowsills, door frames, skirting boards, etc. The strip of wallpaper is pasted on one side of the window and folded into the embrasure. A short piece of matching wallpaper is placed on the window lintel, cut roughly to size and fitted with a double seam cut. Alternatively, missing pieces can also be inserted to match the pattern. Always paper up to a door from one side. Depending on how much space there is, 2 oddments can be used above the door, paying attention to any matching pattern. Any gaps can be filled out with a piece of wallpaper that is cut exactly to size with a double seam cut, as shown here. Another possibility is to use just one oddment above the door and then paste a complete strip of paper. Make an exact cut along the door frame with a cutter and papering trowel. Always switch off the electricity at the fuse box before papering around sockets or light switches. Sockets and switches are nicked with a Phillips screwdriver and then cut out exactly to size. You can then refit the switch covers. There are 2 ways to paste borders. First, the border is tucked over the paper. Moisten the back of the border with water. Then apply an even layer of special border adhesive. Wait for around 2 to 5 minutes before sticking the border to the wallpaper. Tip: the underlying paper should be fully dry. And second, first the border, then the paper. The border is stuck horizontally to the wall first. The upper and lower strips of wallpaper are then pasted in place. They can be cut out to fit with a special paper cutter. This does not damage the base. The paste is hereby applied evenly onto the wall. Use a special paste application roller for best results. The strips of paper are cut to size and rolled up beforehand. Then stick these to the fresh layer of paste with the pattern on the inside. Bonded fiber papers are pressed into place with a soft rubber roller. They consist of a sturdy carrier material and can be cut easily with a normal cutter. By the way, bonded fiber papers can also be pasted with a papering machine, though only one strip of paper should be pulled through the machine at once. Carefully remove any excess paste immediately by dabbing with a moist sponge. Then dab lightly with a dry cloth. Do not rub. Bonded fiber papers can be stripped when dry and with no residues if pasted correctly. The wall tone collection is a semi-finished product on a bonded fiber that is finished by the user with coats of paint, scumbling or creative techniques. Covering dispersion or latex paints can be used. Various sponge and creative techniques can be used to achieve the two-color effect shown here. With textile wallpapers, textile fibers are laminated onto a high-quality bonded fiber carrier. A clean and professional processing is a basic prerequisite. When processing, we recommend carefully moistening the rear of the paper with lukewarm water. Textile wallpapers are hung by the wall pasting method. Make sure that the paste is not too thick in the joint areas, since this may otherwise squeeze through the gaps. There are two ways to paste these papers. First option. The following strip is carefully laid into the paste bed from above alongside the previous strip. Second option. The following strip is laid around 1 to 2 centimeters over the previous strip and then drawn carefully to the side into the paste bed. Check the print image of high-quality digital print wallpapers such as Rush Magic Walls thoroughly before starting to work. The strip is laid carefully into the fresh paste bed. You should also check the print image for any differences whilst papering. If done correctly, wallpapering can be fun. Change your walls with Rush.